You are asking why. The path is so steep, and why you must endure so much resistance and friction today. Wake up! Because tenacity is not an abstract concept. It has a physical address inside your brain, the anterior mid-cingulate cortex. When you choose comfort, this structure shrinks. But when you push through the micro-sucks, it physically expands. The friction is not destroying you. It is literally building your iron-type iron to accept the forge.